Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is October 21st, 2025, and we're diving into Texas Instruments' latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Texas Instruments, a leader in the semiconductor industry, has just released their Q3 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to shareholder returns.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Texas Instruments reported a revenue of $4.74 billion for Q3 2025, marking a 7% sequential increase. John, what does this tell us about their market performance?
This revenue growth is quite impressive, especially considering the 14% increase from the same quarter last year. It indicates strong demand across all end markets, which is a positive sign for the company's market position and product portfolio.
And what about their profitability?
Texas Instruments reported a net income of $1.36 billion, with an earnings per share of $1.48. This includes a 10-cent reduction not originally in their guidance, yet they still managed to exceed the analyst forecast of $1.47, which is a testament to their operational efficiency.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. Moving on to cash flow and shareholder returns, Texas Instruments reported a cash flow from operations of $6.9 billion over the trailing 12 months. How significant is this, John?
This is a strong indicator of the company's robust business model and the quality of their product portfolio. Their free cash flow of $2.4 billion further highlights their ability to generate cash, which they have effectively returned to shareholders through $6.6 billion in dividends and stock repurchases.
That's quite a substantial return. How does this impact investor sentiment?
Investors generally view such returns positively, as it reflects the company's commitment to rewarding shareholders and confidence in their financial health.
Segment performance and future outlook. Let's delve into the segment performance. The analog segment reported a revenue of $3.73 billion. How does this compare to their other segments?
The analog segment remains the largest contributor with a 16% increase from last year. Embedded processing also saw growth with a 9% increase in revenue. These figures underscore Texas Instruments' strong foothold in key markets.
And looking ahead, what is their outlook for the fourth quarter?
For Q4, Texas Instruments projects revenue between $4.22 billion and $4.58 billion, with earnings per share ranging from $1.39. This guidance reflects a cautious yet optimistic approach, considering market conditions.
CEO insights and strategic investments. John, what insights did CEO Javi Villan provide regarding their strategic investments?
CEO Javi Villan emphasized the strength of their business model and the benefits of their 300mm production. Over the past year, they've invested $3.9 billion in R&D and SG&A and $4.8 billion in capital expenditures, which positions them well for future growth and innovation.
How do these investments align with their long-term strategy?
These investments are crucial for maintaining their competitive edge and supporting their growth in the semiconductor market. It shows their commitment to innovation and capacity expansion, which are key to sustaining their market leadership.